How to remove parental controls in Roblox. If you're trying to access features in Roblox but you're blocked by parental controls, like chat restrictions or limited settings, you'll need to update the account controls first. So if you want to access the parental controls settings, you go to the gear icon right over here on the top right and settings. And as you can see, we have a dedicated parental controls tab in here where we can manage, as you can see, your child's Roblox experience. So in my case, the parental controls are not active, but if parental controls were enabled, Roblox requires a 4-digit parent PIN to make any changes. So just enter the correct PIN to unlock the settings. Without this PIN, Roblox won't allow you to change restrictions. If you don't know the PIN, the parent or guardian must reset it through their email. And then once the PIN is accepted, you can modify. Allowed content rating, chat settings, we can message or invite the account, and account restrictions toggle as well. Turning off account restrictions fully removes the locked down mode. And then you just remove it and save the changes and you're done. And that's how you remove or change parental controls settings on Roblox. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.